I'm live now. Am I live now? Oh my God. I've been streaming, guys. I guess we're going to have to start it over again. I've literally been streaming for 8 minutes.
Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. This is what happens when you have like literally 3 minutes. 3 minutes till I had about 8 minutes till the show started. This is a better intro. This is an honest intro. I had about 8 minutes. I can't believe I'm starting with this on a Monday. I had 8 minutes till the show started. And I had another sip of coffee. And the engine started turning in my stomach, right? So I had a little bit of a panic. Run to the bathroom. Fire it off. So before I ran to the bathroom, I launched the stream. I thought I had set it to the starting screen, this one. So I thought I was being efficient, efficient, leave it there. Then I just jump into this scene. And then I'm, kids dropped off, good to go, jump into the stream, gang, gang, gang. Here we are, 12 minutes late. Good morning, Otter gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Well, I was chatting. I was really breaking it down for the first 8 minutes. I was on time. I made it back on time. Yep. And I was telling you about the big push up here, SFP, rotation back down to VWAP. What else was I talking about? I was saying good morning. I've already said Mojo Jojo. I've already had a full conversation with Dusty that he doesn't know about. Okay. Chantel, I told you how beautiful you looked this Monday, and thank you for being here. Army Piper. I said, there's no better balding person that I know in this planet. You are my bald guy. I love you. There was like a whole bunch of like jokes given that you guys were laughing at already. You guys thought I was hilarious. And then I realized I was looking at the girl in the red dress. Okay, I was too busy looking at the girl in the red dress, and then I came back from my side of the matrix. And here we are. Backtest morning brain. VWAP slap, continuation up. Doji engulfing, continuation, rotation. Fair value gap tap. Ugh, don't like it. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, Otter. Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Let's jump into the chat. Thank you for being here. Supporting the channel, hanging out here. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. Happy Monday. Hopefully your weekend was good. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Here we are, Bitcoin ripping overnight. We managed to get long here last night. That was great for 3K. Beautiful Sunday pump. Weekly candle close. NASDAQ managed to hold the lows last night. We were looking at NASDAQ. I was actually kind of doing a mini play-by-play, but NASDAQ rolling over, bouncing out, and I said bullish, and we took longs in the Discord, everybody getting paid, which was pretty sweet. So, yeah, happy days. Now where are we at? Well, I've closed this trade. Bearish divergence, pink box tapped. And we've been hanging out in pink boxes. I mean, we gave the pink box down here. We have the pink box up here. This pink box, however, we hung out in this pink box. Like, she stayed the weekend and stuff, and she started wearing our sweaters and stuff like that, so we had to kick her out kind of deal. I'm like, come on, girl. It was only a good morning. It wasn't like make me breakfast kind of pink box, but it turned into like make me breakfast and hang out the next day kind of pink box, so must have been good. And then we get this big push up. Now we have swept liquidity and we're at the top of the range. So where are we bound to go? Well, probably down, unfortunately. But we'll see what materializes here. We'll do a top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel and subscribing if you're new. Sorry for being early yet late. If you wouldn't mind smacking up those like buttons, I would appreciate it. We only have 30 likes, which is pretty amateur hour. So I think we can do a little bit better than that. And thank you for supporting the channel. This week is going to be an interesting one. We don't have anything except on my birthday, of course. My birthday is Wednesday, so shout out to all the March babies. I know there's some people here with the 16th, the 17th. I think there's a couple of 19ths and 24ths and stuff like that. So happy early, late birthdays. All you March babies, Pisces. Shout out to you guys. So no data until Wednesday. Sailor buying Bitcoin like a madman. 20,000 or something like that. What was it? And yeah, see, 20th. Let's go, Dusty. The first, yeah. And here we are. Bearded Mac, what's going on? Good morning for the second time. Andy, good morning for the second time. Jonathan, good morning for the second time. I also mentioned in the first stream that I couldn't see your name, but I'm going to assume you're just John. Shri and Pandy. Good morning, man. How you doing? Good to see you. God bless. Alexander G. Loco Skids. Good morning, gang. Let's go, Monday, gang. Monday shenanigans, man. Looks like we're rolling over here. We're losing VWAP, so we could be rotating back down to the lows here. We'll see a lot of chop overnight and a little bit of a sporadic push-up, breakout, retest, continuation. Not interested right now. We'll see how this continues on. Skids, Titan, Traveling Studios. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Mr. Seymour, Litty, what's going on, bro? How you doing, bro? God bless. Hopefully you're doing well. Nice push here from Biddy. See if it wants to continue. Very indecisive at VWAP here. Not. The thing is, price action, like the candles are like very like the liquidity is kind of ridiculous right now. So I'm very I'm I'm gonna be cautious trying to take trades today. Just don't want to get in the way of the squeezes, right? Sharkfins, Sono, good morning. Thank you for being here, Crypto Titan as well. Dusty, Frost Dog, Legends, Fresh Week. Let's get it. Yeah, absolutely, man. Let's go, man. I'm excited for this week. Hopefully, we get some a birthday steak. If you don't know, today is National. Everybody, let's see some steaks in the chat. Could I get some steaks? Is there a steak emoji? I think today is the day, or was it? Is it today, or is it the 14th? Oh, we missed it, guys. March 14th. Steak and a blowjob day. We missed it. Let's just get some steaks in the chat. Every day should be steak and a blowjob day anyways. Jeez. I'm trying to get out all the construction humor that I talk about before bill. There's a censorship bill coming out in Canada, probably this summer, I bet. So I'm trying to get it all out beforehand so they don't arrest me yet. Shout out to AlexOCrypto. I was retarded. Tell a carpenter to live stream his day trading. That's what just happened. I was not taking any trades without you. I wouldn't do that to you guys, except after the live stream, not before the live stream. I am a live guy. Thank you for worrying about me. I do appreciate you. Guys, you got to tell me. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long, man. If you're long from the weekend, maybe you're long from, something in here during London session. You guys let me know. Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 2 in the chat. Maybe you're short from the pink box. I mean, give it an advance. Pink box, bearish divergence, SFP, rotation down. Beautiful. Good morning, Jojo. Dusty. I was on fire for 8 minutes, Dusty. Philly Skills, Wagwan, good to see you, bro. Sailorbot 22, okay, that's wild. Castile, Lake, Keen Bean, good morning, Rebellious. John, Bearded Mac, Barack, good to see you, man. Isaac, thank you for being here, Mr. Cal. Good morning, everybody. DJ Mac, Ollie, Mr. Cal, Mr. McCall. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Hey, Crypto Billy's in the chat. What's going on, CB? Good to see you. God bless you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful weekend with the fam jam. Laventina, red dress means red day, sir. I mean, would it surprise me? Wouldn't surprise me. I'm just waiting for someone to say CME gap, man. That's what I'm really... Everybody who knows me, I'm just waiting, man. Say it. Today's a perfect opportunity to get these guys here. I'm ready. Come on. Who wants it? Come and get it. I got something hot and ready for you. Say it. Oh, man. Who's this guy, man? Oh, love from India. Who? I don't know, man. Wick 589. We celebrate that every day in your charts. She wore your Black Sabbath t-shirt. Yeah, that's it, man. She thought she was cool, man. Generals gathered in their masses. She can't stay overnight, though. Good to see you, Shemitris, or Shem. Everybody say good morning, Shem. Biden didn't get us into war. I guess not. Yeah. The politics in this, politics in crypto is something. I feel like as a day trader, we get to talk about politics, but only how it affects the charts, so it doesn't divide us. I think that's the most important thing. Whether you're red, blue, left, right, center, square, retarded and gay and happy, whatever the F you are. I don't really care. We're here to click buttons and make money. so that we can say we don't give a shit about politics, right? I mean, it's meant to drive a wedge, right? That's it. At the end of the day, it's meant to drive a wedge. So let's just love each other where we're at. Let's try to click some buttons successfully. Let's try to make more money than a doctor, right? And that's it, right? That's it. We are aware of the politics because they do affect our charts sometimes, but at the end of the day, I mean, I'm in Canada. We have our issues too, right? And we don't need to get into it, right? However, it does affect the charts, so we need to be aware of that. That's why we're watching oil right now, and oil is dipping. Oil is dipping, which is good. We have a big push up here for the NAS. We would expect a gap up for the SPY this morning. Okay, because ES is ripping. So we look at the ES here. Oof, baby, right? So the ES is ripping off the lows. So we're expecting a big old pre-market gap to the upside. We got FET AI ripping. We got BitTensor ripping. We got some altcoins popping off, right? Off of their 90% drawdown. I mean, guys, it's what did Army Piper say? Army Piper said we could get relief up to 88,000 almost and still go down. I'm just saying. And that's not that far away. I mean, it's a 10K move plus a bit, right? So, I mean, that's nothing in crypto. We just prepared, man. That's it. Good morning, JD Bauer. Good morning. Bunch y'all long. Good job. Skipping class today, G1. Let's go, baby. F-Bomb, good morning. DJ Mac Ollie. Good to see you guys here. Thank you for being here. 60% of our viewers are from India. I think it's only 20% Dave Digital. I'm Alex. I'm from Igloo, Canada. Good to see you guys. Chicago, I don't know. You're just speaking Chinese to me now, Piper. We actually bounced from the first gap fill. Are we talking about it? Shamitris? I don't mind. I'll hand out to... Good morning, JR. Good to see you, Kensler. Shark Fins. Buenos morning. Master Ata. What's going on, Vegas? It was some fun trading last night, man. We were crushing it. How about that pink box? I warned you about the second tap on that pink box. Tyson, good morning. Vegas Claw, Wick. Mr. Kemp. Vegas Claw. Jose Rogers. Did anybody see that strike call against Dominican yesterday? USA versus Dominican. Did anybody see that baseball call? Did anybody see that? Guys? I mean, how can you let this ruin a baseball game, man? That is such a ball. How can you... Oof. I don't think that was the right call. That was Dominican got robbed. Yeah. That's out of all the sports, man. Out of all the sports, baseball should have a strike zone caller. Right? Like that's the thing, man. SFP of the high right now. See if we can continue here. Did USA just cheat in baseball? That's the question, right? That is always the question. Put a 1 in the chat if you believe Netanyahu, whatever that guy is, has 6 fingers. That's all that's popping up on my feed too. 6 fingers too. Just like they did in hockey, yeah. Oh man, this world is so wrong. I'm done, man. I can't wait to just buy a bunker. Oh man. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a beautiful morning. Had a good weekend. Supporting the channel. Thank you for being here. I thought he was a Ninja Turtle. Nice push here, guys. Can we continue? No trades right now. VWAP holding, but I didn't like the reaction down here. Sweep, push down, very strong engulfing candle into doji indecision. At VWAP, push back, hammer, and then continue out. You could buy this hammer, but not for me, guys. Not interested. Nice push back here. I guess we could go swing high to swing low. Golden pocket, 786 rejection zone. So, yeah. Just trying to push out here. I'm not interested. SFP of the high here. Rotation possibly back down. NASDAQ continues to push up here. So, looking strong. Continuation out. We'll do top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got almost 280 people on the live stream, guys, and only 69 likes. I thought we were doing a good job in here. Saying good morning to everybody and helping you guys out. Hopefully you're all doing well. Let's go through the analysis, and thank you guys for supporting the channel. Bitcoin ripping. Up only. Into market open. We'll see. Big buyers. Michael Saylor, etc. Going through the top-down analysis, and what I've been looking at really is so we were looking at the 12-hour market cipher trigger wave pushing us out along the way here, so we can see that there, that continuation, and then it just like retraced and continued. We were looking for the defense of the zero line this weekend, and we got that defense. So as we can see, we've been up only. A lot of people have been pointing at the daily candles, right? The constant bid. Oh, look at this. Steam. So we can see, I don't know how many candles is this, 7, 8. So constant bid all the way up here. So this is looking strong, obviously. However, eventually, humble pie gets served and we get a retracement. And when this happens, though, we don't fade the uptrend. We continue to hold the uptrend, but we try to jump on it safely, knowing that we're getting into an exhaustion zone, which is critical. We look at our weekly candle close. Woof, baby. All right, very strong, almost engulfing candle. We have a buy to sell candle in here, so a push up and a push down. Okay, and then this one fully engulfing continuation all the way up. Okay, so it's very strong. Looks like we're ripping right now. SFP of this high now. Liquidity has been taken. Still not interested just yet. Patience here. But looking strong. Market cipher as well. Double bottom continuation trade here. Not something I necessarily trade. I don't just trade based off market cipher, but this is a very bullish signal. And if you go out on like a 2-week and you zoom out on all of this, I mean, there's a case to be made that we have higher highs, higher lows all the way through here, with market cipher looking bullish all the way through on a very long-term time frame. Doesn't necessarily mean we're going there, but it does look nice. Okay. If this, then that. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to get above liquidity. Where's the liquidity? Well, we have the lows to be tested, which we're right at, and these ones right in here. So how we behave in this area right here, if we go swing high to swing low, and we take a look at the golden pocket. In here, we're looking to get to 82,000, okay? And then depending on price action, if we get a rejection out of here, right? If we push and we get a rejection out of here, we could be in a lot of trouble. And I'm sure Army Piper is looking at this, 93 platinum pocket even to get everybody faked out. But we'll see. Okay. If this, then that, right? it's very important for us to do top-down analysis and be good at it, just to understand what's in our way and how to trade it. But we also must, be deliberate with our short-term time frames because we scalp. So we got our 8-hour money flow as well pushing out here, making this big move up here, getting a little bit overextended now, right? So overextension throughout the shorter term time frames doesn't necessarily mean that we're done pushing. It just means that, hey, we should start paying attention a little bit more to shorts if we get them. You can see the 4, the 3, and the 2, and the 1, all very overextended, okay? Watching the 1 hour has been pretty juicy here. When the 1 hour has reset, this has been a very good buying opportunity on this up-only trading. Okay, we look at all the up-onlys, right? So these have all been resets on the hourly candle. So just watching that as we go. Very strong here. So trying to push. Sleep at the highs. We have bearish divergence at our pink box. So this is something that I'm keen on shorting, but I'm not going to jump into it until I have confirmation. Or a very good setup pattern, candle pattern, retracement, weakness throughout the market. We can see oil has rotated down. SPY is going to gap up quite large today, so be prepared for the open, how we gap. Okay, then the NASDAQ continues to rip to the upside. So this is looking bullish, baby, bullish. So if you are long, congratulations on your longs. We'll see what we get going into the stream today. But thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate your support and smacking up that like button, subscribing if you're new. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. Good times. Very good times. Oh my God. Billy, did you catch that fish, bro? Look at Billy. Billy's out here catching fish, man. Oh, smack, bro. Billy, it's bigger than me. Holy shit. I could swear for that one, right? Pump and dump. Here's that sporadic price action, everybody. Wow. Billy fishing, man. He ain't fishing. He's he's hunting in the ocean. That's some next level stuff, man. Oh man. That's wild, Billy. It would be like some sort of that's like Jurassic Park shit, man. I could ride that thing I don't know. I could tie a rope to it and ride it like Poseidon. You know? Bass Pro Shop, right? Holy smokes. That could feed me for 8 months. Oh, man. And if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. Support the channel. We do have an exclusive deal for this channel for VIP 3 for 6 months on Bitunix. If you want to use the link, posted it in the chat. Pinned in the comments, you get a VIP 3 for 6 months, and you get deposit bonuses, okay? The real deal is the Discord, though. Come over to the Discord. That's where the party's at, man. The best family in all of crypto. 8 amazing traders. Constant setups. I mean, how many signals hitting TPs this morning, guys? How many? 1, 2... ETH. Oh, what else do we got? File. BNB. Signals, setups. I mean, give it in advance. Longs, live streams, 150 videos. 150 videos of training. Live stream, live trading in the Discord. I mean, it's phenomenal. I don't even know how we created this beast of a Discord. Best Discord in all crypto. I'm required to say that, guys. I'm required to say that. But you can ask the family. You can ask everybody who's in the Discord. Look at Dave Digital. Dave Digital, find it. Dave did. you see if this is Dave Digital, right? If I copy this picture, right? This is Dave Digital, right? And I put this up here, right? This is AlexOCrypto right here, right about here, right? There's AlexOCrypto. Great fish, man. Great fish, man. I can't see the... What does it look like up there? Oh, man. Big SFP up the highs here. Enticing buyers and big rejection. Guys, price action. You got to pay yourself in this environment, man. This is sketchy, in my opinion. It's going up, but there's very aggressive wicks down to come and grab you. $50 years old is wild, man. Too much mercury in them. 300 pounds and 50 years old. I mean, I'm a buck 45. That's how much I weigh. You can throw me like a harpoon at that thing and it wouldn't even hurt it. A Goliath grouper. That's ridiculous, man. Yeah, I can water ski. I'll do the slalom ski, the single one. I'll ride that thing like you wouldn't even imagine, man. Wow. Let's go. Please move the pink box so we don't bounce. Hey Billy, I'm happy and I'm healthy, man. I have my wife, I tell my wife, you know, I'm 145 at 5'4". 145 at 5'4". I have resting buffness, okay? The heaviest I've ever been in my life is like 160. The heaviest I've ever been. And I was like eating and working out like a mofo. It's the heaviest I've ever been. Rotation up. I don't like this right now. No touchy. NASDAQ continues to climb. It's going to be a very, very bullish opening, which could be a trap, guys. Monday false move, so be aware of that. I'm not moving the pink box, Dusty. I'm sorry, but the pink box remains. Yearly pivot, 80,000 target. We'll see. If we get acceptance below this low here, then we're looking to come all the way back down to like 69,420, which would be ugly. It would. Very ugly. We'll see. Third leg adds weight. Lots of muscle, yeah. I mean, yeah. That's the... Anyways, we won't go down that road. You guys are going to get me in trouble. It's all about proportions. Let's just say that. When you're 5'4". Oh, you guys are nasty. All right, still climbing here. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. We're looking to so right now we're trying to build the account up. We started at 17,000. Okay, it's now at 40 since February. Now it's at 42 or 43. What are we at here? 43. So we started at 17,000. We're now at 43,000. I'm going to, because of the conditions of the market, I'm always enticed to like add more size. So I'm going to rotate and take profits into my Canadian account. So I'm going to rotate 30,000 off going into tomorrow. So I'm going to, pay out myself. I guess that's what they do in the NASDAQ. All the prop people, right? Oh, payout, right? So I'm giving myself a payout. Keeping my account size small has actually allowed me to be more disciplined with my trading, right? It doesn't allow me to overtrade. It keeps me focused on what's in front of me. Like I do have a big account, so I'm still risking pretty big size considering. Like if the markets weren't in these conditions, I typically risk between 600,000 and 1.3 million per trade. But right now, 200,000 per trade. I've really risked down. I don't need a lot of size to catch big moves. I mean, I got long here yesterday. Up to here made $3,000. Like it's not something that I need to do. Like obviously I would have liked to make more, but you're also putting at yourself at a lot more of a disadvantage because of the way the candles are moving. They're very sporadic, as we can see. Look at this. This didn't go up straight. This has been a absolute wrecking show this whole way down. If we go into a 1 minute time frame, we look at this thing, it's gone up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So it's not getting to where I like to smoothly, right? We talk a lot about this in the Discord where price moves from here to here, but how it gets to from here to here is important, right? If it's very slow and then pops, we don't want to be in the way of that because it could pop the other way, right? We want smooth price action. This is very choppy, right? So reducing your size, it's going to get there, but it's also like, am I going to have a stop that's like this, right? Probably not going to be too successful, right? So I'm adjusting my portfolio and my position size based on the market, right? I don't want to get wrecked. So I will be taking another chunk of the payout. I think in total I'm up over 50,000 to start the year. So it's been good. It's been good. I mean, I had a very bad couple of weeks. I had a couple of 2-week stretches where I gave back almost 20,000, and then I made the adjustment, right? Yeah, because I was up 40 grand to start the year, first 2 weeks, and then from that I gave back 23,000 over trading, didn't adjust to the markets. And I shared that story along with the Discord. Well, because, I'm not perfect. That's for damn sure. But I show you guys everything. I take the trades. I show the trades. I'm trying to make crypto honest again. And hopefully I can help you guys like the way I do it. And maybe that helps you guys navigate it as well. Because it's not meant to be easy. But for me, it's like making adjustments along the way, especially as a scalper. Like sometimes I don't need to add that much more size. I should be happy with a $300, $400 a day, right? If there's 250, we always talk about this as well. It's like if there's 250 trading days a year and we make $300, we're making good money, $75K a year. That's really good money, right? You're sitting on your wanking chariot clicking some damn buttons. You ain't even going out there working, right? I mean, from a guy who worked construction his whole life, I mean, if I could sit here and click, right? You've made it, right? You've made it, right? So it's what's going on, DDT? Good to see you, bro. Yeah. And that's $75 US, right? And that's basically $100,000 Canadian, right? Because if 3 equals 4, 369, yeah, that's a good chunk of money, right? That's $102,000 Canadian. That's crazy money, man. For most people. Right? So trying to stay humble, trying to remain patient. Trading really skews your idea of money, right? It becomes gamified. It becomes just a number on a screen, which is somewhat important, especially with managing your psychology and taking the trade setups based on strategy, which is very important, right? You need to be kind of numb to the fact, but you're just, for me, it's just taking the trades and understanding the risk involved each trade. But if you do suck, they'll take your money too, right? So it's understanding that as well. So adjustments along the way. Just trying to be patient here. We'll see what we get coming into market open. It is 8:48. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Smashing up those like buttons. We got 370 people in here. 97 likes. If we could get those likes up to the watchers, that would be cool. And thank you guys for supporting the channel. 76 today. We'll see, Eric. I just called you Eric. I went Eric. What's going on, Erica? We'll see. I need to get through this box. Dusty wants me to move it, but I'm not gonna. Macro resistance, man. Big ass order block. Top of the range. We should be looking for shorts. Price action right now. Up only. Up only. Can we take this and break? Down, we'll see. Holding view up. Continuation trade. No trade right now. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. That's why we're here. Helping you guys hopefully navigate the charts. Oil continues to roll over. This is a good sign, guys. Very good. Very good. Let's see. How's everybody's week going? Great? Bad? Who had a bad weekend, man? I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully we I hope we can make your week better then. I'm sorry you had a bad weekend. I had a good weekend. Touched some grass, touched some ass, whatever I was into. Took some trades. I did a little bit of everything. I didn't have a bad weekend though. I took my son to the park and there was elk. There was about 30 elk in the park yesterday. While kids were tobogganing, mountains in the background, about 30 elk. It was pretty much out of a movie. Canada's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. That pink box is very ominous. J to the JR. Good to see you, Vegas Claw. 75K. Still waiting here. Continuation up. Continuation up. A little bit of a warning sign of exhaustion here. Bearish divergence, rotation down. No news today, guys. Big news on Wednesday, which happens to be my birthday, so you better all show up and give me cake, because my wife doesn't give me cake. I'm kidding. She does. PP in your eye data in the morning and then FOMC later. Welcome to my birthday. I don't get to do anything on my birthday besides stream all day. Woohoo. I'm kidding. I like streaming. Little weakness here. Rotation down. Chopping at the top. Anchor trigger. Bearish divergence. Anchor trigger. Retest. Golden pocket. 786. Uptrending momentum. Yeah. Up only. Very much up only. I wait. You're St. Patty's birthday, Magic Mike. Oh, gold. You getting on the lash then, mate. Top blast song? Are you ready to top blast? I'm not ready to top blast. PP in your eye? Yeah, you gotta watch out. You don't want a PP in your eye. Warning signs of exhaustion, yeah. Dusty, her husband chased you out of the store? That's no good, man. Good thing you're fast, eh? Good thing you're fast. Sam's tired. I'm sorry you're tired, Sam. Hopefully you get some My Bit Defender got updated. Watch out. How many antiviruses do you guys have? I got like 3. I'm a little bit paranoid. Just a little. You can't have, it's like wearing 3 raincoats, you know? You don't want a kid? You're not allowed to feel it, you know? Oh man, my brain sometimes. Nasdaq looking a little bit weak here. Very aggressive candle pattern here. I mean, engulfing, liquidity grabbing down. I still expect us to come. We might even come up to the gap up here. We might even come up here today for the S&P. Still waiting here. Am I frozen? Is this frozen? This is all frozen. Oh, great. Are we frozen on the stream too? I can't see the chat now. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? Update. Okay. Are we still frozen? I'm frozen on my end. Oh, I guess I shouldn't update my antivirus while streaming. Idiot. Guys, I am just, if you ever look up technical difficulties in fucking the dictionary, here it is. Hi. Sometimes I wonder, man. I should go back to swinging a hammer. Trying to push here. I'm going to go and say good morning to my beautiful hot wife and my beautiful son. And he's only beautiful because of my wife, not because of me. You guys can all get long here. Here comes the 5K coffee, SFP, continuation trade. God bless you guys. 414 people in here. Let's get those likes up to the watchers, please. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight, the trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady.
Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest again. That's the plan. But top lesson trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's all crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 vibes.
Oh, yeah. I would have so many more viewers if I just stayed on here. I go from 410 to 374. I even gave you guys a long. I don't get it. People have it's the TikTok brain, man. It's the TikTok brain. I blame everybody on fucking TikTok. All you swiping. It's just like you guys on your Tinder profile, right? Talk shit until you get back. Yeah, exactly. We talk shit and take trades here. That's the number one strategy. Oh, baby. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long, because you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Play Top Blast. You're welcome. See, I could read your mind without even having to read your mind. Look at this. Up only, baby. Coffee long, run to the bathroom, miss TP, get stopped out. Has he entered G&G? Is that like... I have not entered. No trades yet. Taking the trades, showing the trades every day. Should have entered. No trade, no trade. What's going on, Daniel? Miguel, Blockchain Crusader, JR, Sam. Good to see you, Django. How you doing, bro? Bald, GG's. Short, GG's. Congratulations on your longs, everybody. Good job. Quick update, long or short. Thank you. We are in no trades right now. We're up at the top. GNG is short for gang, by the way. You can't add an A? You really can't put another A in there. We have an emoji. Maybe you can just click one button. There. There you go. Bam. Short form. TikTok. TikTok brains are real. What's short form for TikTok brain? TKB? Do you know why? Do you know why? Okay, for all these people who are born in like 2000 and up. Okay, do you know why there's like BRB, rolling on the floor laughing, LOL? Do you know why? It's because my generation, okay, we used to have a limited amount of characters. Okay, you were charged by the letter. Okay, H, B, R, B. You were charged on your stupid phone when you had to press 4 times to get an S, right? You were charged per letter. Per letter. So you had to be as efficient as possible because your mom only gave you $5 to put on your Nokia phone. Okay? So with the phone plan, if you put more letters on, you ran out of letters and you weren't able to use it. So we come up with code. Okay? That's why. Okay, for all you abbreviation people. That's why. Okay? T9, baby. Okay? Expensive SMS. Yeah, that's it. So ridiculous, man. We had to we would do the math on like, oh, I can't text everybody, but I can text Ron and he's hanging out with 3 other people so he can tell them. Yeah. Wild times, man. Wild times. It's like bat signal. And then people started getting those like double flip phone, the razors and the chocolate phone. Remember the chocolate and the razor phone? Chocolate. One of my friends had LG chocolate back in the day. Oh, yeah. You're like a real G if you had this thing. You had made it if you had the LG chocolate, guys. This was like the gangster's phone, man, because it slid up. It slid up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this was, yeah. You were an absolute G with this phone. The LG chocolate, man. I remember. Yeah. That was the one. Or the Razor was a good one too. Razor was a good flip phone because you could still slam it, you know, when you hung up on people. This one, right? The old school Razor had a really cool touchpad. You guys know. You guys know. And then they had a golden Razor. Remember the golden Razor? Remember they had a gold version? Yeah, you were an absolute G with that golden, the gold one. Yeah, you were like pimping. You were pimping the high school with this one. When you had the gold one, you were definitely like, yeah, you're a cool kid, man. You were a cool kid, man. I bet you JR had the gold one. Golden Child flip phone. That's the one, man. I don't know if it came with the stylus. And then they had the BlackBerry kids, right? The BlackBerry kids with the big keyboard. Join Baby Otter. What's the benefit? You get emojis. That's it, man. The cheapest. I made the emojis the cheapest for members. If you want to join the Discord, that's a whole different world, man. The Discord is where the alpha, the omega is, where all the Cup and string sort of guy, yeah. Nicky nine doors. Knock knock run. What do they call it in the UK? Knock knock run? We call it Nicky nine doors in Canada. Knock knock run, I think they call it. Very practical in the UK. My grandfather still has the cell phone with the leather case from the 80s, I think it was. My grandfather, he still has it. It's in the basement somewhere. Where is it? It's a big ass Motorola. This thing's like a brick, man. If you drop this on someone's toe, it legit has like a hand. It's like a purse, man, for a phone. One of these bad boys. This is my grandfather's phone. No. Double top here into 786. Still slowly climbing with the so we climb, right? We climb and then we dump. We climb a little bit more than we dump, right? Like we're not really getting anywhere. You can see here. So we grind it up here, but then we climb, we dump. We climb, we dump. Now we climb, dump, right? So for me right now, it's about waiting. This is not somewhere where I typically want to long and jump in here. VWAP did hold nicely, but a little bit of patience in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. It's 10 after 9. Okay. Eastern Standard Time. NASDAQ looking a bit toppy, bearish divergence, mitigation of the low, rotation down. We expect a giant gap up for the S&P 500 this morning. So a big gap up typically breeds a pullback. So if we gap from here to here, we typically fill and then go at least a bit. So we'll see. Everybody getting bullish this morning. Obviously, ripper to the upside. Monday, potential false move. We also have oil taking a nosedive, which is bullish as well. Okay, so keeping an eye on oil, obviously, because of what's going on in the Middle East. So we keep our eye on that. But I do expect a little bit of a pop up here on the SPY. Looking at the ES has risen. Okay, so we expect the same thing out of the SPY. ES looks like this, so we expect at least a gap higher here this morning, which is, opening with bullish sentiment doesn't necessarily mean we're going to go up for the rest of the day. With Bitcoin, when looking at this, for me right now, just understanding we're at macro resistance right now on the higher term time frames. We don't need to get into the weeds. We've gone through it a little bit this morning, but coming into this order block up top here, tapping that SFP of the high in here. So we have mitigated this high in here, taking the liquidity out of the market, right? So we've been up only too for like 8 days straight here. So 8 days straight of up only, getting there slowly but surely, squeezing all these shorts. Okay. However, strong. It's strong. It's pushing, can we get up into this zone? This zone in here, from this low down to the low back in here, right? Can we get acceptance above this, right? If we do not get acceptance above this, and we do not start trading above $80,000, okay, there's no reason to be extremely bullish. This would be a lower high, right? So if we go high, low, right? So right now, macro trend is down. We've accumulated for quite some time here. Can we get some relief, or are we going to come back and wreck all these longs? Either way, we're at the top of the range looking for resistance to come into play right now, so a little bit of patience. Our weekly candle closed out quite nicely, considering all things. We had a very big pump and dump the previous week, and now we've had a nice climb up slowly and methodically. Okay, so can we see continuation? That would be cool, squeezing out some of these shorts. I'm coming for everybody right now. So patience here. Daily candles all the way up. climbing, market cipher climbing, 12-hour trigger wave climbing as well. But then we get into like the 8-hour. We're starting to get a little bit overextended. 4, 3, and 2, and 1 overextended to the upside. Okay, we can see VWAP is resetting on the 2-hour, and the 1-hour is trying to push back with a confirmed green dot. So there's a couple of bullish continuation signals here on the short-term time frames, but overall we're starting to transition from shorter-term time frames to high-term time frames overextended, right? So when you get overextended on the oscillators, doesn't mean you can't continue to go up. It's just eventually you're looking for a retracement, okay? So patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. 400 people on here. 150 likes. So thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, supporting the channel. We're here live every morning, taking the trades, showing the trades, helping you navigate the charts, trying to make crypto honest again. So let's see what we get this morning. I know a bunch of y'all long, so hopefully you guys all get paid. NASDAQ looking a little bit weak here up at the highs here. Doesn't necessarily mean we're going down, just might mean we get a little bit of a retracement maybe into this little order block right now. Maybe a little sweep of these lows in here. And then maybe a bounce. We'll see. So we're looking for a bounce out of here. Coming into market open, we got 15 minutes. Okay, so waiting for that. No news today. News is on Wednesday, so you guys are all going to come here Wednesday and wish me happy birthday and sing to me, because I will sing for you on your birthday, everybody. That means I got to sing for someone tomorrow. Someone said they're the 17th. My memory is not that great. But happy early birthday. Telescopic aerial. Let's go, Jojo. Mojo Jojo with the telescopic aerial. Right? Battery never dies with the cups and string. That's a sweet ass cell phone, man. Yeah, follow through continuation here. Looking strong. Not ready to fade this move, but it's been very ugly on the way up here, so I'm not really interested just yet. Continuation up. Patience, patience. Still waiting. Knock down Ginger. Knock, knock Ginger. Tap door run. Okay. Nicky Nicky 9 doors. Knock down Ginger. What's that? Ding dong ditch. Okay. Ring and run. I like that too. See, everybody has their own version. What about Morse code? Check Discord. What are you sending me now?
It's a trap.
Warning.
I'll see you on Wednesday.
It's a trap. Oh God. You're giving a warning sign. Okay. We'll see. We'll see, bro. We got absorption up at the highs. Buyers are in control, though. So, good day, everyone. Good to see you, Tommy. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Al. Thank you, everybody, for being here, Viking. Good morning. What's going on, FJ Trading? One of the traders in our Discord. Incredible trader. Thank you for being here. You had to drive a convertible to have one of those big phones? Yeah, just to get a reception, right? Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's your birthday today, Jake. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey, and you act like one, too. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. I nailed that one. Strong absorption. Look at open interest. That's good. I like OI, and I'm not the biggest OI trader, though. You can clearly tell this is trying to push, but Steve ruggling a little bit. 24th, that's my cousin's birthday, March 24th. Doorbell ditching. Birthday suit? Yeah, I'll wear a birthday suit for my birthday. I'll wear maybe I'll wear a Maple Leafs jersey. Maple laughs. J-Pal's laughing at people. J-Pal's always laughing, man. He's got too much power. Way too much power. Yes, we have our first victim. Save the Republica. Let's give him a minute to think about that CME word he put in my chat. I got one. Come at me. Big aloha there. Yo, it's gonna dump at 80K. I don't think that would be what I'd be looking for right now. Got him. Welcome everybody. Thank you for being here. The only thing I do require is for you to say good morning. Okay, so don't be a weirdo if you are here. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you. Hopefully you're all doing well. We're here live every morning trading Bitcoin and Solana every single day, showing you the trades, taking the trades every single day. Live accounts, no bullshit like half of the other streamers. Not saying names, just saying there's not many people just doing it real every day with their own money. And that's it. So hopefully we can help you navigate these charts. Traders helping traders is what we're all about. So hopefully you all have a wonderful morning. If you are struggling, hopefully we can help you navigate the charts, help you stay away from trades that aren't really trades, help you, navigate these charts. If you are new here, subscribe. We would love to help you. We also have an amazing Discord full of 8 traders helping you guys take these trades. Looking like we're rolling over here. No break in structure, but big SFP rotation down, liquidity taken out of the highs here. So we'll see if we do want to come back down maybe to this VWAP here and bounce. But right now it's just trapping longs in my opinion. So we wait. Thank you for being here, everybody. What's my trading view nickname? It's Lord Otter, bro. I am Lord Otter. That's my pronouns, man. Lord Otter, King Beaver, bro. I am Lord Otter. Don't send me any shit, because I don't want it. Alex is the best trader despite being Canadian. I'll take that, man. I'll take that. Those are my pronouns, Lord Otter, King Beaver. I identify as profitable over time, I take losses live. I hit $10,000 trades live. I do it all. At the end of the day, we manage risk, we trade a strategy, and we try to remain as patient as possible, which is the hard part. Okay. Golden Child. Am I like Golden Jesus now since Golden God is here? I mean, you guys can both be golden and gangster and beautiful as well. Okay. We'll see what we get here. Still waiting. Still waiting. 430 people in here. 164 likes. Could we get those likes up to 200? I'll shut up about it, please. We can do it, guys. I know it's hard. I understand if you don't like it. Order block tab. Continuation up. He said I identify as profitable. Let's go. Yeah, that's it. What's wrong with Canadians? A lot, man. A lot. It's the weather. It's almost like England, except we have sunshine and we're frozen. I'm definitely not going to check my invites only tab. I'm definitely going to delete that. Thank you, Twitch. Not interested. I mean, I've had 500 people throw indicators at me, man. Continuation up here. We got 7 minutes. Still waiting here. Oil's finding support. I mean, when we called support here for oil, we had a big move, so we were prepared for that before as well. So that was good. We'll see what we get here, considering we're just rolling over here. Yeah, it's very ugly and choppy here, but looking to continue to push here. We should all just change our name to Golden something. Watch time is greater than likes. Let's go, Curtis Hill. Good job, bro. Lovely price action. I don't know, Vegas. I don't think this is... I preferred last night's price action. It was much easier to read. It's pretty choppy this morning, man. So far, your open, trustworthy trade. I like it, bro. Thanks for being here, Syed. God bless, bro. Hopefully you're having a good day. I think we should all just put Golden in our name. Golden Army Piper. Army Golden Piper. I'll be Golden Shower. Lord Otter Golden Shower. That'll be me. I don't know. Is that taken? Somebody's got to be like 007 Golden Gun. I mean, we all hated when they got the Golden Gun, no? It was bullshit. So unfair. So unfair. I should have went harder there. Alex, was it J-Pow on the 3 minutes then? Yeah. I don't trade J-Pows, but I know it's a break of structure continuation trade. What's going on, Casho? Good to see you, man. Jojo, Triple, Han Sol. Sol's nasty. Diamond reversal. This is a reversal pattern. Always watch out for these guys, especially when they're choppy. I'm not a diamond reversal trader, but I'm just saying, you watch this shit. This is just absolute trash, man. Don't touch this. See, last night, very simple trade. I got long here on Bitcoin, but look at this. This is very easy. Order block tap, continuation up. Like it's tonight or today. Today it's nasty, man. Wealth preservation day. That's what this is. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, everybody. Thank you for being here, guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. John Foster Crypto, my man. God bless you, bro. Buck. Let's go, baby. FF Gali. Lurker. System. Lurker. Pedro. Bong. Lurker. Gianluca Satatata. Lurkers. Lots of lurkers in the chat, man. Jeanette, what's going on? STL Coin, good to see you. I mean, just say good morning. Buck said good morning. All these other people hanging out here and not even saying good morning. That's the only requirement, man. Look, good morning. Good morning, Colin Crypto. Good to see you, bro. With his Otter Gang emoji. Look at that, man. Colin Crypto. Colin Crypto. He's got the Otter Gang emoji picture. Look at that. He's an Otter Gang member, man. I'll even subscribe to you. Look at that, Colin Crypto. You've been subscribed to by AlexOCrypto. Otter Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. I am jealous. I claim golden shower. Golden cojones. I like that. Oh, man, you guys are too good, man. Golden rectum. Good morning, guys. Good to see you, Bubba Trading DM. Matt, thank you for being here. Trying to make it honest again. Look at all those otters. Let's go, baby. The gang is real, man. Gang is coming out. Watch out for all these guys here. Watch out for all these gang members. They're crazy. Crazy. We're going to have to do a new gang photo soon. Little community building. Everybody submits their otter and it just keeps growing, man. Just keeps growing. We're growers and showers. We show up every single morning helping you guys navigate the charts. So thank you for being here. Good to see everybody here. Trade Intuition, what's going on, bro? Good to see you as well. Hopefully you're doing well. Prince, welcome. Gang, 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 baby. Do I trade every morning? Yes, I do. I take the trades. I show the trades. I let you know when I'm considering a trade and longing. It's never financial advice. You are your own person. I ain't your dad. But I'm here trading, yeah, every morning, showing you everything. Thank you for being here. 5 seconds. Let's go, baby. Ding, 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 ding. SPY gapping up. Where are we going? Nobody knows. Look at that. Big gap. Big gap energy pushing to the highs here on the SPY. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Supporting the channel. Looking for a sweep on the Nas. Bitcoin consolidating sideways. Choppy. Looks like it needs to come down. Little Bart Simpson. Solana, ugly AF. Bitcoin, flat so far. NASDAQ, rotation down. Looking for this sweep. We'll see if we get it. SPY, opening up pretty bullishly this morning. Gap of almost 1% up. We'll see if it does want to come back and fill. Retest the previous highs. We'll see how that goes. Bitcoin remaining flat in the open here. Looks like rotation down. Bear div up at the resistance level. Get a sweep and bounce here. There it is. Sweep and bounce on the NASDAQ, trying to push up. We'll see if that continues. Oil continuing to, not roll over. Oil's finding some support here. Not the greatest support, but this could take some time to materialize, but we'll watch that as well. SPY continuing to push, a little sweep down and continuation. NASDAQ continuation. Do we see continuation on Bitcoin? Yes, push out. All right, little flag out here trying to continue. Up only. Still no trade. I'd like to see exit velocity. I'd like to see this thing push and then come back, and then we can get long in here. If we're going to get long, just let it kind of bake a little bit right now. So not green lighted, in my opinion, to trade just yet. Just waiting. Still no trades. Showing you the trades, taking the trades. Still waiting right here. We'll see if it does want to continue to push here. Looking strong. NASDAQ looking strong as well. Coming up, sweeping the highs. Patience there. SPY looking strong as well. A little bit of a retracement down, but nonetheless continuing upwards. Rotation down for oil. Holding here on Biddy. Above VWAP, looking for longs. However, very overextended in my opinion to the upside. We haven't had the greatest retracements on the higher term time frames, but this thing's still ripping to the upside. Looking strong this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up the like buttons. Hopefully you guys are all getting paid this morning. Looks like Bitcoin is trying to push the sweep and go on the NASDAQ. SPY continuing to climb. Bitcoin continuing to climb. Looking good here. Bids coming in. Trapping longs. Could be trapping longs to dump it on your heads. I would prefer to wait for a retracement back down. So I'm still waiting here. I'd be looking in this block down in here, really. But nice continuation trade here. Trying to push. Go. Get going, Bitcoin. Trying to get through this pink box. We'll see if we get through it. You can do it. Put your back into it. White line liquidity sweep at 74.5. Okay, looking for that liquidity sweep in here. 3-minute structure change. Rotation back down. We'll see if we get that in here. Trying to climb here this morning. Up only. NASDAQ. You got bearish divergence SFP. This is typically reversal structure if you can close back within the range and rotate back down. SPY continues to climb. Bitcoin continues to climb, looking strong right now. Oil's pretty flat. Rotation down. Yep. This is always concerning. You get bear div, SFP, right? Could be the start. Not saying it is. Don't fade the trend. The trend is up. Okay. Nice continuation here. Nice little, 0.5% move here, pushing out. Liquidity in this high up here. So if we're looking at liquidity, it could be sweeping this high right here or this high up top here at the white line. We'll see how high it wants to go. Continuation. I'm new to trading. Any advice? Yeah. Paper trade. And then and learn. Sweep of the high right now. Nice push for Biddy. Bullish, baby. Let's go. SPY continuing. NASDAQ continuing. Solana ripping into our resistance level on Solana. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen here. This looks strong as ever. Bitcoin ripping. Nice push. Still waiting here. No trade. No trade yet. I guess that long from this morning is actually playing out. We gave the long from here this morning when we went for a coffee break. I guess it's an expensive long. Look at the continuation here. Coming up for the liquidity of the highs here. Second liquidity level is right here. We'll see if we sweep. Nice push here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. SPY's climbing quite nicely here. Looking to get up to 6,700 here. Psychological level. NASDAQ, same deal. Sweep and go on the NAS. Solana, sweep. Bitcoin, sweep. Continuation trade here. No trade, still waiting. Just looking strong still. Anybody here top blasting? Careful with the top blast. Longs from VWAP. Let's go. DJ Mac Ollie. VWAP slap and go, baby. I'm skiing too, Vegas. He was about to say strong. Yeah. What is paper trade? I just add $50 to an account and start trading and learning also. Don't use your real money yet, man. Paper trading. There's an option on TradingView. Get TradingView. Turn on paper trading like Tory Trades, and shots fired, and and take some trades. Learn a strategy. Back test. Time in the charts is required. Okay. Can you ski alone? Absolutely. Paper Tory, let's go. Trendline breakouts, right? We're all trading the trendline breakouts there, Joni. Oh man, I try not to throw shade. Stay close, man. Dart. Take your time, though. Take your time. If there's one thing you gotta do, and that's protect your capital when you're new. You don't need to figure it all out. You don't need to figure it out all at once, man. You need to give yourself enough time to learn the craft. What's going on, Reggie? Good to see you, bro. Crypto Rob crushing it in Bali. Good job, bro. Part of the gang members. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Looking like a little bit of a push-up, getting everybody all excited. 530 people in here, 199 likes. Thank you guys for being here. Subscribe if you're new. We're going to do a big-ass giveaway. Big-ass giveaway. We need 20. We need 17 more subscribers, guys. I ain't getting excited. You're getting excited. Okay, 17 more subscribers. We hit 20,000. Wild. What's going on, Jimbo, man? Jeanette, 20,000, man. That's fucked up. I can swear about that. Jeanette was here when we were like 20 subscribers. God bless you, Jeanette. Thank you for always hanging out. I appreciate you. Jimmy. I was thinking about recording a beatbox for Jason Casper to rap over. What do you guys think? And give him a little beatbox to I just because I got to record it because there's a delay. Maybe I record it and send it to Jason Casper and he can freestyle on it. He can be like, "We hit the Fibonacci, the golden pocket can't stop me." Jason Casper breaking it down. Guys, you guys are all subscribed to Jason Casper, I hope, man. God bless him. The biggest feat in all of crypto. Have you guys seen the picture of Jason Casper and Crypto Lifer? It looks like Jason Casper, his feet look like what are the things the people put on their feet for scuba diving? What are they called? Flippers. He's got big ass flipper feet, man. If he kicked you in the head, his big toe could knock you out. I love that guy, man. So good. Yeah, man. Fins. Shark fins? Flippers, yeah. Different brands of paper. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Thank you for being here. Why is that not done yet? Yeah, I got to send him a clip. I got to make a good beat for him. Worst beatbox ever. Thanks, Now. You're so kind, Now. Thank you for being here. Up only, guys. No touchy. Donald Duck feet. 20K even when YouTube tried to slow me down. Yeah, they canceled me and everything, man. They canceled me. They banned my emojis. They censored me. They just gave me the total Canadian government treatment, right? Any reason why I didn't take the continuation trade long? Yeah, because it wasn't my trade setup. All right. The only trade setup was the VWAP slap here, and I didn't like the way I didn't like the way it was. I didn't like the price action on the way up here. Right? We have push, dump, push, dump, push, 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 dump. Right? So this I stay away from. Then we had consolidation. I said we could long here, retest the previous highs. Some of you got long here, and you guys are paid right now. There's our SFP. We've taken liquidity just now. And then in here, I'm not enticed because we were very overextended, in my opinion. S&P continuing to climb here, looking strong. NASDAQ, pump and dump. Uncertainty in the market starting today. Solana coming up to key resistance level, right? And we're at the top of the range pink box. So for me, it's about patience right now. I'm trying not to top blast. Top blasting is it's an art. I'm good at it. I'm pretty quick, but I'm not really here looking to give away my money. I'm trying to be patient here. We have 2 minutes till orb is in. We're gonna have a pretty high orb this morning. Should be interesting. Orb at the top of the range. But yeah, overextended, not coming back to VWAP, leaving imbalance down below here like this here. Interested if we came back, but we didn't. Now we're looking for a retest of previous highs, potentially. Order block tap in here. So looking for this, but we're very overextended to the upside right now, coming into key resistance, and we've taken the liquidity out of the highs. So for me right now, it's a little bit of waiting. If we get reversal structure up here, then I can short. But it's no trade right now. It's not NASDAQ, uncertainty, bearish divergence, SFP, overextended to the upside. This NASDAQ looks like it needs to come back down into here. Yeah, SPY pushing, looking good, but big resistance coming in our face right now. That psychological 6,700 level. Oil continuing to roll over, so bullish as well. There's our humble pie being delivered. Smack down. We're in the Smackdown Hotel, coming back down. Okay. Just waiting here. Pretty aggressive dump. Okay. That's why you got to pay yourself in these conditions. I'm trying to remain patient here. Nothing that I like right now. Not with this aggressiveness now. If we had chopped a little bit more at the top and then rolled over, okay. But this is just complete liquidity grab. Balance in the force. Pump up, pump down. Trapping all the longs this morning only to wreck them on the way down. So we wait. Retest our previous highs. Order block tap. The way we came into the order block is so important, guys, and I don't like it. This is strength to the downside. So we stay out of dodge right now and just try to wait. We'll see what happens here. But this is a nasty ass candle. So patience here. 10 seconds till orb. Still no trades. Look at that on Solana. Whew. Sell wall. Down we go. Right? No trades yet. Still waiting here on Biddy. Rotation down on Solana. Rotation down on Bitcoin. Trying to hold here on the NASDAQ. Could be bullish for a pushback. Potential pushback here on NASDAQ. SPY continues to climb. NASDAQ continues to climb. Can we see Bitcoin follow suit here? Trying to push back. Retest the previous highs. Continuation up. Oil still rolling over. Solana trying to push back as well. Retesting the range. Looking strong here. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Nice bounce on the NAS. Nice bounce on the SPY. Following suit on Bitcoin. Nice bounce here on Bitcoin. Trying to continue up. Still no trade, guys. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel, smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you are new. Welcome. We are here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15, taking the trades, showing the trades every single day. Trying to make crypto honest again. Showing the trades. Good fun. Why isn't the orb showing here? Is this a different chart? Bybit. Bybit. Why isn't it showing over here? There we go. Okay. Trying to push up here. NASDAQ, new high. SPY, flying, baby. SPY is flying. Beautiful. Beautiful continuation here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 5 more subscribers. Guess we're going to have to do a giveaway. $20K, man. That's wild. You guys are effed up for even subscribing here and hanging out, man. At the end of the day, you guys are nuts. You guys are nuts. You guys can unsubscribe now, please. Can I get a hoya? All right, chop at the top, guys. I'm not interested here. This is not where I look to trade. Could have taken the retest of previous highs, continuation out. I guess I could have got long in here on the sign that NASDAQ was pushing. Could have. Had the confluence. Didn't have the confidence to take the trade. A little bit of an execution problem, I guess. Not bad, though. I mean, at least we're not losing the money. Continuation out here. Now, because I didn't take this trade doesn't mean I have FOMO to jump long now. right? A lot of people will be like, okay, I should have got long here. Now I'm going to get long here. Well, that's going to wreck you, right? That's going to wreck you. So you don't do that. That is the worst thing you can do. Okay? That is called how to lose money fast strategy. Okay? It'll work a couple times. I promise you it'll work a couple times, and then it won't. And then it will be very, very painful. Good morning, V1. Shark Fins, thank you for being here. Dave Digital, thank you as well. Eric. Vegas Claw, thank you for being here. Django, TP1. Sweep of the highs, yep. Still waiting here. Good morning, Victor. Thank you for being here. There it is. Pump and dump. Pump and dump. Pump and dump. Weakness in the SPY. Critical resistance. Enticing buyers one more time. Rotation down. Still waiting here. Discord live today as well, guys. So looking forward to that. We do live sessions in the Discord. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. We have an amazing Discord with 8 traders, signals, setups, incredible 150 videos at your disposal, talking strategies, showing the trades, taking the trades, live trading with me. No delay, no YouTube bullshit, just straight up trading. Good fun. Best Discord in all of crypto. Consider joining. We will do a sale maybe next month. If you do need to wait. It's not cheap, but if you can't make the money that we charge off of our trades, I don't know what to tell you. I think we do a very good job. Buy levels, sell levels, setups, all that good stuff in advance. Which orb you watching today, Bitcoin or Sol? Always Bitcoin. I don't really watch Sol orb. I watch Bitcoin orb. Solana, I strictly trade. Solana, I strictly trade support and resistance, and confluence on Bitcoin. Okay. If you know, you know. Of the levels that I trade. Bitcoin's a little bit more imaginative. Oh, man. Good times. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 572 people here. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. Still no trade right now. Still waiting. Still waiting. Looks like Solana is breaking down quite aggressively here. Solana moved up quite fast yesterday. Imbalance down below in here at 92. Would be interested in rotating back down to 92. Weakness here. 3 drives. Bearish divergence. SPY still remaining bullish. Trying to climb here. Making up for the lost time here. ES is climbing as well. Looking okay. Bitcoin showing a little bit of weakness up at the highs here. Sweeping the liquidity out of this high and rotating back down. Coming down to lower orb here. Order block again. Weakness, weakness, weakness across the board. No follow through here. See if the NAS can hold support. Overextended. Lots of liquidity below for us to come and grab if we do rotate down here. See if we get that rotation. Yeah, a little bit of weakness here. Ugly candle close here for the SPY. Patience here. Thank you guys for subscribing, man. I think we're almost there. Oh, you guys are cock teases, man. Whatever. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Gang, 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 gang. I missed the 20,000. Can 2 people unsubscribe? I'll get my grandma to do it, actually. I'll get my grandma to unsubscribe, man. Thank you so much, guys. Fucking crazy, man. AlexOCrypto.
The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.
That's pretty cool, guys. Thank you. Made my my fanny flutter, as they say in the UK. You guys just made my fanny flutter. Thank you for fanny fluttering me. I love you guys, man. God bless you.
What you know about juice? Making the moves that have no casual breaking the news. Revenue proof.
Let's go.
Portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us.
Nobody in the UK says that. A fanny flutter. The crazy thing in the UK is that a fanny in North America, a fanny in North America is a butt. A fanny in the UK is a vajayjay. Okay? I don't know how they got that messed up front to back. That means we're going to have to do a giveaway. We'll have to do a giveaway every single day. One Discord membership every single day. Right? Does that make sense? One a day? One a day, I think. I think we'll do one a day for the week. We can't do 20,000 fucking giveaways, okay? 20,000 USDT giveaway to myself today. I'm going to withdraw 30K from my trading account today. God bless you guys. $20 super chat. Crypto Poker with the 10 gifted memberships. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Throw some otters in the chat. 20K subscribers, guys. Unreal. Thank you, Alexander G. I love you. You know that. Thank you for being here. Matt Parsons, Lurker, Nico Lurker, Daredevil, what's going on, Lurkers? Lurkers in the chat, Swaj, Captain Kirk, Mama Mafia, let's go. Kirk's in the chat. She's been around since I've been around, day one. Cano, Tanda, Franklin. Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. God bless you. Thank you for the 10 and the 20. You guys don't need to give it away, man. Discord link should be valid, man. You should be good to go unless you've been kicked or banned for being a knob, but I don't think you have. I think you have. I think you should be good to go. Pretty cool, man. Thank you, guys. Lower orb here trying to hold. Solana nasty. Sweep of the lows here on Solana. Nasdaq still climbing. SPY still climbing, guys. So could be a little liquidity grab this morning. Probably this low here. Maybe an failed orb breakdown would be bullish. Something like this. That would be juicy. If we take these lows here. Still no trade and waiting. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Hanging out here. Well, I guess we got to do a giveaway. Who the hell's channel are we going to pump today? Oh, I know. I said we would trade fly. I said we would try and get him to 2,000 subscribers. I said we would try to get him to 2,000 subscribers. So we're going to try and get him to 2,000 subscribers. Let's do it. Mm-hmm. All right, go over to this video, comment Otter Gang for the giveaway. And please subscribe to Tradefly. He's at 1,900. Please subscribe. Go over here for the giveaway. All the traders in your Discord are awesome. Yeah, they do a very good job. I'm proud of the Discord that we've created. Incredible people. Go over here, comment Otter Gang, and subscribe to Tradefly, please. It's my bestie, man. This guy will give you the alpha. For the giveaway. We'll do a giveaway every day this week. Subscribe to Tradefly. Please and thank you. What's the keyword? Type Otter Gang, please. Otter Gang. Subscribe to Tradefly. He is family. He is one of the traders in our Discord as well. Let's try and get him to 2,000, guys. Tradefly is awesome, man. Solana's still rolling over. Bitcoin trying to hold the support here. Mixed signals here. Solana trying to push back. Nasdaq still climbing, guys. SPY still climbing. Big push here for Biddy. Wick test in here. Solana overextended to the downside. Rotation down. Bitcoin rotation down as well. Still trying to hold here. This price action sucks right now. This is very aggressive up and down. Still waiting here, guys. No trade right now. We still got a string of higher lows, so still trying to hold and push. We'll see. Go over to this beautiful channel. Subscribe, please. Support fellow traders. Go over to this link. We're going to do a giveaway for the membership, so the Discord. If you're already a member, go and subscribe. We'll do a USDT giveaway as well. Go over to Tradefly here, subscribe, comment on the video. We need 70 more subscribers. You guys can do it, man. I believe in you. Rotation back down. Solana looking weak. Big sweep of the highs here. 3 drives across the board here. Nasdaq rotation down. SPY rotation down at resistance now. And a little bit of a pickle here with VWAP and lower orb. So in this area, I'm definitely cautious about trades. The best trade setup would be the slap and then the reclaim. This is where you want to long. But nothing until then. Still no trades this morning, guys. It's been very choppy. Just trying to be patient here, but not trying to overtrade either. Continuation back up here for Bitcoin. Nice bounce, nice bounce, nice bounce. And bounce on Solana. Could engulf your Doji engulfing continuation trade here. Nice pushback for Biddy. Can it go? Can it go? Trying to push out. Have we all subscribed to Tradefly and for the giveaway here? 194. 194, 97 comments. Comment picker. Otter Gang. What's 3 and 9? Is that 14? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Otter Gang. gang. Congratulations, Soft Shelly, with the Otter Gang membership. Congratulations, Soft Shelly. Thank you for being part of the family. Subscribing. Come over to the Discord. Claim your prize. Show me your beautiful tag, and we will get you hooked up. Congratulations, Soft Shell. Join the Discord. God bless you. Thank you for being here. And thank you guys for subscribing to TradeFly. 520 people in here. You guys are wild. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. And thank you for the 20K. And thank you for those who have stayed here. Let's go. Let's go. Choppy at the toppy, guys. Patience is on auto buy. Bull run began. Think we'll see an all-time high from here? I'm not convinced on that yet. Not at all. Not at all. I'm hard-boiled. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to the family. If you are new here, welcome. If you do need an exchange to trade on, I highly suggest you use Bitunix. Okay, we have an amazing deal on Bitunix. If you do want to use it, use the comment pinned in the comments here. You have VIP 3 for 6 months. Exclusive AlexOCrypto deal, 30% discount on trading fees plus deposit bonuses. I had to give up my left nut for this one, so you guys get the best deal. It is the best deal. I know it. And I have a rep who can help you with any problems that you have at any time. So use Bitunix, trusted exchange. I use it. You should use it. If you don't want to use it, then you might lose it. That's the slogan. But Bitunix is my favorite exchange that I've used ever. I used to love Bybit, but I mean, I use pre-orders, good liquidity. I mean, people are like, oh, liquidity sucks, and then they're trading Fartcoin. And I'm like, oh, what do you expect, man? Trade Bitcoin, trade Solana. I mean, I use big position size energy, right? I don't have that much issues. And when I do have any issues, I have a very good rep who's quick to respond to help you guys as well, which is very important, okay? I've used a lot of exchanges in my day, and I have never shilled an exchange until the last couple of months, okay? I've never said, hey, use this exchange, because I don't trust any of them. This one, not bad. Not bad. It's the only one I've ever shilled in the 4 years that I've been streaming. And it's only been in the last 2 months. So it goes to show you. Trying to make crypto honest again. That's it. We know how much money these exchanges make off of us. So let's just be real, right? You don't want to give it to the wrong people. Okay, trying to hold here and trying to continue. NASDAQ chopping and up only. SPY up only, chopping. Okay, very sporadic price action. Looking like it wants to break out here. This could take some damn time, though. This could stay in here before doing one of these, okay? Buy low, sell high. No trade yet. Still waiting here. Thank you for being here. Smashing up like buttons. You guys are incredible. It's been a fun stream today. Happy Monday, everybody. Monday false move, so be careful here. We could be pushing today and then dumping for the rest of the week. Coming into FOMC on Wednesday. FOMC is going to be pretty chill. I mean, it's my birthday, but it's, Jerome Powell is just going to be like, well, the war in Iran, blah, blah, blah. The war, blah, blah, blah. The war, blah. It's all going to be the same bullshit, right? So we'll see what happens here. Welcome, Soft Shell. So glad you weren't creepy and lurking. Yeah, we're happy for you to join the family. Welcome to the gang, and hopefully we can help you develop some strategies. I mean, in our Discord, if you get a 1 month membership, you got a family lessons here. You got how to trade VWAP, how to trade SFPs, orb, Fibonacci's, order blocks, structure, volume, must videos, morning routines, order blocks, price action. You get 150 videos that I've recorded personally for the community. I mean, that's the value in it itself. You get 8 traders helping you navigate the charts. Myself, Kyle, Brew, live streams, CVO, TradeFly, updates, signals, profits taken. I mean, incredible. Constant signals, setups, profits taken, TA live streams in the evening. It's nonstop. So it is the best Discord in all of crypto. You will find something that helps you. I guarantee that. And then we get to all just talk shit and have fun and try to get along, right? We all have a big, huge chat. We all say good morning. Look at the good mornings here. Just good mornings, good mornings, good mornings, good mornings. Non-stop good morning. Everybody says good morning. We're not all weird. We all have fun, and we all try to get better every single day. Best Discord in the world. Oh, the gang, man, the gang. I didn't come up with the otters. I'm just happy to be part of the otters. We are family. Continuation up here, looking strong. I'm actually impressed with myself not taking a trade this morning. There's been a lot of enticing price action. But nothing that's tickling my fancy, to be honest. Nothing right now. This is chop to the top, grinding, right? So, I mean, long is the way, but where do we long right now? Overextended, liquidity taken, SFP, rotation down. I would prefer the short here if we do get the setup. Short setup is here, right? Losing the VWAP right there. Stop loss, liquidity, whoop, easy. But right now it's not easy. It's chop at the top, right? You could have longed here. Maybe put a 1 in the chat if you're long. But I don't think it's not been easy to read today. Easy to read, but not easy to trade, especially with the volatility going on right now. So it's best to preserve the capital, right? No trade is sometimes the best trade, which took me a long time to learn. Right now, it only makes sense to short. Yeah, exactly. And there's no confirmation on the short just yet, so we wait, right? Short pink box trade. I mean, if you wanted to take a short on the pink box trade, it's a swing trade, right? Like as a scalper, right? It's a swing trade. You're looking at this, right? You're looking at short, top of the orb, stop loss above there, and you're looking to rotate all the way back down to the lows. And I'm not here for this today, right? Not with this bullish momentum. 8 days in a row up. There's no reason to fade this move just yet. We have no structure change. We have lows, high, low, high, low, high, right? There's no higher term time frame structure change in here, right? So there's no reason to fade this just yet. We do have a critical level, and we rotated down from that. Now we're SFPing possibly, right? However, in order to justify a swing short here, I would think you would need to break this low here. Right? That's your low. So you get bearish divergence SFP, right? Then you look for the break and then the rotation down. If this then that. As a scalper, for me right now, just looking at this, it's just chop at the top. Chop at the top is something we don't touch, just like chop at WAP, right? Chop at VWAP, whenever you're sitting in VWAP like this, you don't touch it, right? Whenever you're sitting in it like this, chop at the WAP or chop at the top. You don't touch it. I mean, the long was VWAP this morning and the continuation up, right? For now, we wait, right? We wait. So we wait. We try to be patient. We try not to top blast, right? That's very important, right? We try to remain disciplined up here. That's the difference between profitability and wrecked, right? So I wait. I try to remain patient here. Thank you guys for subscribing today, man. That's really cool. 20,000. No fucking no idea, man. You guys are top notch. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. It means the world to me and my family. Thank you for supporting me, and hopefully I can deliver enough value that you guys stay. I try my best. I show up every day. I'm very, very grateful. Gratitude is an action word, though. I can say I'm grateful, but what I do is I just show up every day and show you everything. That's it. That's all I do. So if there's someone there who's starting a YouTube, who's trying it, I mean, show up every day, be honest, and try to help other people. And maybe them too will subscribe to you and help you navigate the charts. I'm going to go kiss my beautiful hot wife and update the Discord. No trades today, guys. We live to trade another day. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for the subscriptions, and I will see you guys in the Discord or tomorrow morning. Bye.
On the counter, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building.